Welcome back to Yankee Chronicle, coming to you still from Ledyard Bank here on Maple Street in downtown Hanover, one of, I believe, the most beautiful buildings here in the Upper Valley. And I'm now joined by Ed Bidlack, who's a mortgage loan originator here at Ledyard. Thanks for being here.
Oh, thank you for having me.
So there's a lot of exciting things. We're almost to the end of the year, so a lot of exciting things happening. But tell me about, the benefits of a small local bank versus one of these large national banks.
Sure. So having had the opportunity to work for both a large national lender as well as a community bank, I think really what moves the needle with Ledyard is the personalized level of service. Mortgages are somewhat of a commodity now.
Sure.
There's lots of competition, lots of banks, lots of lenders, all offering similar products, similar rates.
Sure.
So in order to succeed, you have to find a way to differentiate yourself.
Right.
And that level of service is an integral part of, how we are able to succeed at Ledyard.
Wonderful. And you have a fairly new product here at Ledyard, Threeday approval.
Yes.
Talk a little bit about that and who's the perfect candidate for that.
So it's a benefit that goes beyond what, your common pre-qualification is.
Sure.
So common pre-qualification is something that a client can go to a website, they can go to a bank's, online page and fill out an application. They can also talk to a loan officer and give that information verbally.
Right.
However, it's very generic in base. So we take that one step beyond. The market right now is so incredibly competitive.
Yes.
You need to get your clients a leg up with the competition.
Right.
A lot of buyers and there's a lot of offers coming in.
Sure.
So we take that one step further. We bring in their assets, their income, and anything else that they have for the file.
Yep.
And we produce that file and give it to the underwriter.
Okay.
She goes through the file and actually gives a fully underwritten loan approved commitment.
Wow.
So that's something that a buyer can go to a seller when making the offer.
Sure.
And show that they've gone that extra mile to do so.
And is it done within 3 days? Is that where the 3-day comes in?
Typically that is our benchmark.
Wow.
However, we've been known to do it, in a shorter amount of time. But that's, we want to not overpromise and underdeliver. So that's the day that we go with. Sure.
And that's a fairly new product, new market that you're working on here at Ledyard.
It is, and we've been very successful with it this year. We've seen a lot of clients been able to win those offers because of that. It just gives everybody more confidence in the transaction.
And the housing market is so hot right now. I mean, people are looking for things to buy, finishing out 2019 with maybe a new home.
Yeah.
So you must be very busy with that.
Yes, absolutely. So 2019 has been just an incredible year. We've had lots of success.
Good.
And it's actually still going strong, like right through year to date.
Amazing.
We've been, very successful. Going into 2020, I see sort of a lot of the same. I see rates staying, at low points, which is good for buyers.
Sure.
It does increase their purchase potential.
Right.
However, there's a supply and demand issue.
Right.
There's not a lot of inventory and there's a lot of qualified buyers in the market right now.
Right.
So it makes it very competitive. So, and that's where that 3-day loan approved commitment comes into play.
That's huge. So when should someone contact you and reach out to you in this mortgage process?
So I think the earlier the better. Doing your due diligence and making sure that you've gone those extra steps to get pre-approved, because most realtors are going to want to see that.
Right.
And it's a good idea to give you the confidence that you're looking at properties that you can afford, that are within your budget.
Yes.
So that everybody has a little bit more confidence in the transaction.
Yeah. You don't want to go find your dream home and then find out it's not going to work.
That's true.
Yes,
Very true.
that's important. And people are more than welcome to reach out to you and ask some mortgage questions.
Most certainly. Most certainly.
Ed, I really appreciate you being here, and happy holidays.
Thank you. You as well.